Whether you're building workstations for your team or overhauling the data storage for your organization, setting up and scaling infrastructure is expensive. That's why companies across many industries are beginning to look to the cloud for more than just hosting. The cloud is affordable and can support short-term scale-ups for testing, rendering, events, and other tasks that require a lot of computing power for a small period of time. But there are limitations, not in what you can do in the cloud, but in how you can experience and interact with it. Now, it's easier than ever to access your high-performance, GPU-enabled cloud machines on AWS or Azure infrastructure using Parsec for near-zero latency. Standard remote desktop applications allow access to computers in the cloud, but fall short for GPU-enabled machines where graphic fidelity, low latency, and input accuracy are key. Parsec, on the other hand, offers cloud connections that feel seamless, with near-zero latency and vivid, ultra-high-definition video streams at 60 frames per second that you can experience on up to 3 monitors at a time. Setting up Parsec in the cloud is simple using one of our pre-formatted AWS or Azure images. First, download Parsec from parsec.app and install it on the computer you'll be connecting from. Once your client is ready, there are a number of ways to get started, depending on the cloud platform that your infrastructure is based on. If you use Amazon Web Services, open the EC2 console and navigate to the AMI catalog in the sidebar menu. Then search for Parsec in AWS Marketplace AMIs. Both of our official Amazon machine instances should appear in the search results, one with an NVIDIA graphics card and the other with an AMD graphics card. Choose the one you want and click the Launch Instance from Image button. From there, follow the steps to set up the instance based on your requirements. We recommend using G4DN as the instance type. To provision the instance as a Parsec team computer, you must populate the user data with some additional information that you can find on our AWS Marketplace support page. Just paste the info into the Advanced Details section and replace the placeholders with your team ID, key, and credentials. When you're done, review your settings and launch the instance. After the instance is launched, reload the computer list in your Parsec app to locate the AWS instance and click Connect to gain access. Microsoft Azure users can follow a similar process using our official image for the platform. And if your infrastructure is based somewhere else, don't worry, because Parsec is cloud platform agnostic. We've created a prep script which we've linked in the description that you can use to configure any cloud computer on any platform to work with Parsec. Once your cloud machines are up and running, you can easily provision all of them for Parsec for Teams using a command line tool that automates the process for multiple computers. Just grab your Teams ID and Team Computer key and follow the instructions for the tool which we've linked in the description below. When you're done, each of your provisioned cloud computers will be accessible in the Parsec for Teams admin panel. From there, you can assign each one to a user or group of users who will be given access to them and will be able to see them in their local Parsec clients as long as they're running and online. Once connected, they'll have all of the features that Parsec users enjoy on physical devices: multiple monitor support, virtual monitors, improved colors through 444 color mode, and guest access and collaboration tools. Every feature that's available in Parsec on a physical device is available to Parsec computers that are hosted in the cloud. You can provide a perfect work-from-home setup using a low-end computer locally while taking advantage of the power that cloud computing has to offer. Cloud computing is a cost-effective infrastructure strategy for a workforce where remote work is becoming more and more common. And with Parsec for Teams, you can power the remote workplace for creatives and engineers, giving them access to the specialized hardware they need wherever they are. For more information or to get started with Parsec for Teams, follow the links below. Thanks for watching.